Hi guys, this video is dedicated to the topic of making money on the internet. How can you make money while sitting at home and not go to work? Today I will tell you about it. You don't need to have any special skills to make money so that you can apply them in your work. You just need to find out the topic in which you will be active, and that's it. Choose a topic, an industry, a niche to which you will devote your time and earn your living on it. You will need to devote all your time to this work, so that there is at least some result. The choice of activity can be anything. Suddenly, someone wants to be involved in the sale of goods, someone is a big business, and someone wants to keep their personal blog on platforms and share their life with the whole world. There are many types of activities that will bring both success and income. Naturally, in order to earn and receive income from such industries, you need to think with your head and come up with various ideas in order to translate these ideas into reality and invest all your labor in order to ultimately receive a reward and what you were missing. Keep in mind that success will not come to you right away. You need to invest your work and invest your time every time, and in no case give up and always go towards your goal or dream. Remember this: there are niches and industries where you can immediately earn income, but they will be very low paid. These are exchanges where customers post their tasks and performers, that is, you must complete their tasks and work in order to ultimately receive remuneration for the work and for the completed task. To feel a decent income, you need to work all day, but in the end your income will be stable and not grow up. Therefore, do not consider such areas, they are very low paid, and besides, they will not bring you pleasure from your work. You need to work and invest in those industries that you like, and you will do the work with pleasure and soul. The best income is passive income. This is when you relax, sleep, eat, have fun with your friends, and money accumulates in your accounts at that time, without your participation. The choice is yours. You need to choose what will really bring pleasure, joy, success, inspiration. And you will be the happiest people on the planet. That's all. Thank you all for watching this video. Thank you all. Bye.